everyone. This is part 2 to my journey of becoming a Forex trader. So part 1, I discussed certain aspects of the path that I'm taking to do Forex. So before I jump on my computer, I just want to do a quick, face shot showing you what I'm going to do as far as being a Forex trader. I know that this is not going to be a quick get rich quick scheme. I'm learning all of the aspects of currency pairs, pips, stop losses, the meaning of having a good broker. So I'm gonna dive on my computer right now. I just want to show you all of the things that I had to do as far as fund my account with my Cash App account by purchasing Bitcoins. I had to get approved first with Cash App to do the Bitcoins. Next, I wanted to find me a broker, so I used Hugo's Way, and I'm gonna have all of this information in the description down below. And I'm gonna dive into the computer and I'm gonna show you all of the steps that I took from funding my account, from finding me a mentor off of Fiverr. This is all a challenge to me. I funded my account with only $100, but I definitely feel that this is something that I want to do. And I want to keep you involved in the whole process of doing all of my Forex journey. So without further ado, let's jump on into the laptop so I can record my screen and then you can see all of the aspects that I'm taking. So I'll see you there. Hello everyone, again this is Antonio with Team Tigio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. In this video, I want to make part 2 to how I'm starting my Forex journey. Part 1 was basically speaking about how I learned about the name for Forex, which is foreign exchange, probably about 20 years ago when I read about it in the Inc. magazine, when we used to actually get magazines subscriptions back in the days. But I started looking on YouTube, and from the aspects of YouTube, I did have another mentor that would start teaching me aspects of Forex, but I fell off from that mentor. It wasn't his fault, it was my fault. You get distracted in the day-to-day life. You think you figure things out and you really don't. So I started going on YouTube, and from YouTube, sometimes people say that you probably can find a mentor right here on Fiverr. And I'll leave a link below to the seller that I actually find. And if you ever want to sign up with Fiverr, you can sign up through me and follow this journey, this Forex journey with me. So I found this mentor, and when I read about their gig is, I'm a professional Forex trader and analyst. Forex became my main job a few years ago when I became a 6-figure trader. Today I'm a successful businessman willing to help others achieve same as I do. If you want to start your financially independent life, that I will be more than happy to help you. And then I start reading about what's included in the package. What's included in the package is a lifetime support, premium Forex signals, mentorship from a pro trader, ebooks and videos, my personal analysis, knowledge that will help you in further trading career. So this individual is actually from Slovenia, and I actually took my time and communicated with this trader before I actually purchased the premium, because what I came to understand is from talking to my previous mentor is that learning Forex won't happen in a day. Realistically, it may take me a year. So if it's going to take me a year, then go ahead and purchase a 60-day trial. For only $60, that's what I did. And I'll leave the link, like I said, I'll leave the link below. So you can go ahead and start your journey as well. So what I want to do is learn how to start this journey. So the first thing I had to do was get a broker. So I found this broker through Hugo's Way, and I'll leave a link down below. Also, if you want to sign up through Hugo's Way, you definitely can do it down below. I'll leave that link. And I'm going to sign in because I actually funded my account. All right, so any day now. And anytime you sign up with Hugo's Way, a lot of times it's like a two-step process. No, that's sign up. No, I already signed up. Let me log in. So I clicked the wrong button there. All right, so let me verify my account. I'm sorry that the computer is working so slow here. All right, any day now. All right, let me refresh. All right, here we go. All right, so let me. All right, one moment. Let me try to log in from scratch here. Again. Go. And I apologize, all of this is new to me also, but I'm following this journey. And hopefully my journey may inspire somebody else to follow the same journey that I'm on. Because I know that Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme that some people might look at all the videos of people in the Lamborghinis and everything like that. It's actually going to take some time to, trust the process. All right, so the next thing I did is I had to fund my account. So the process of funding my account, I actually use Bitcoins to fund the account. So I went in, I clicked on the button, deposit funds, and I just want to show you what I did. So I went and I select my wallet, any day now. And I use the power of, actually, I use my Cash App to fund my wallet. So when you fund your wallet, if you're in the United States, if you're in Europe, if you're in Canada, Australia, or if you're in, that's the British pound right there. I'm in the USD, and I use Bitcoins to fund my wallet. Then I clicked on proceed. Excuse me, I put on the amount and then I clicked on proceed. After I did this, I went ahead and I did an internal transfer. In the process of doing the internal transfer, I transferred it from my wallet to MetaTrader. So actually, you can sign up through a MetaTrader account directly from your account, which is pretty cool. And that's exactly what I did. Just go ahead and start my journey into Forex. And then after I went ahead and signed up for everything, I ended up at the next process, and I had to sign up with my MetaTrader account, and they ask you all the information. And this is the process where I went ahead and I put in all of my credentials directly from my MetaTrader account, and now I'm ready to start the process of learning from my mentor on how to start trading. I do know about the currency pairs, I know about pips, but I need to learn about, for example, stop losses. I need to learn about patterns. I just need to learn exactly what I need to do before I proceed in this journey of Forex. So I'm going to be providing, as I continue into this journey of Forex, I will be providing updated videos. I'll be providing realistic profits and losses. I'll be providing things that my mentor teach me. So I just wanted to talk about part 2 of my Forex journey. I know that this is definitely not going to be a rich quick scheme. I'm gonna learn everything that I need to learn from my mentor, and I'll keep you posted. So once again, this is Antonio, Team Tigio, and I will see you next time.